The crane is said to live for 1,000 years, which is why people make 1,000 origami cranes, one for each year of its life. Senbazuru, or the 1,000 origami cranes, are commonly seen at temples in Japan. When grouped and held together, 1,000 orizuru by a string is called Senbazuru. According to some stories, the 1,000 origami cranes must be made within the span of 1 year and only by one person, and anyone who completes this daunting task shall be rewarded with a wish. Some people also believe that they are granted eternal good luck instead of just one wish. Once the maker of the 1,000 cranes makes his wish, he can give the cranes as a present to someone else. This makes the Senbazuru a popular gift to family and friends. A Senbazuru in your home is considered a powerful charm. The origami cranes are left exposed to the elements until they become tattered and wither away, releasing the wish. This practice is said to be related to the prayer flags of Tibet and India. The materials to make Senbazuru, such as origami paper, are easily available in Japan. Origami paper for Senbazuru is usually of solid color and 7 cm by 7 cm, about 2.7 inches. There are sets that include 1,000 sheets of paper or even more to allow for mistakes, beads to keep the origami cranes from slipping off, and string to hold them together. There are usually 25 strings with 40 cranes each in a Senbazuru charm. Complete all 1,000 cranes to make your wish come true.